Hello again, guys. 11:57, and this is a 12 o'clock update. The wind is really whipping out there. Really whipping out there. Let me see if I can stay still. See the trees moving? Sorry if I'm shaky. Sorry if I'm shaking. Can't control that. I can't stay still. I'm shaky for some reason. Trees are moving. So far, we have power, and I hope it stays like that. We're still under this wind advisory till 7, so I mean 7 in the morning. So I think the winds are going to die down a little bit tonight, but not really. There's already outages reported, so if our power does go out, I will videotape it, but I won't be able to upload it till we get power back, but hope it stays going. So far it's looking good, but yeah, I'll make another update soon. Bye guys for now.